Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to enter Mac recovery mode. This powerful built-in tool can help you resolve many common problems, from repairing your disk to reinstalling Mac OS. The process varies slightly depending on your Mac's processor, so we'll cover both Intel and Apple Silicon models. Always begin by ensuring your Mac is fully powered off. For Intel-based Macs, the process is straightforward. First, completely shut down your Mac. Then, press the power button and immediately hold down the Command and R keys simultaneously. Continue holding these two keys until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. Once the Mac OS Utilities window appears, you can release the keys and proceed. If you have an Apple Silicon Mac, like those with M1, M2, or M3 chips, the steps are a bit different. Start by ensuring your Mac is completely shut down. Then, press and hold the power button. Keep holding it down until you see loading startup options on your screen. From there, click on Options and then continue to enter recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, you'll see the Mac OS Utilities window, offering several powerful tools. Disk Utility helps you verify and repair your storage drives. You can also choose to reinstall Mac OS, which installs a fresh copy without erasing your data. If you have a time machine backup, you can restore your entire system. Additionally, Safari is available for online troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.